Alright, what's up everybody? I want to make a quick video. I want to show you, I'm about to take the 4Runner engine completely apart. I just want to show you how I have everything laid out. Let's just do a walk around real fast. I took the transmission out because it makes my life a lot easier. So I don't like to fight nothing. And I'll show you where the timing cover is leaking. I actually wiped the front of his car off, so there's no dirt marks. Engine out, everything out. Later on, I'll take a video of the car in the air so I can show you the underneath of everything off. I did film everything on my 360 camera, which I will upload that later. Right now, just walk around on my phone so I can put it up so you guys can see. And you can see where the timing cover was leaking. So I'm gonna disassemble this complete engine. I'm gonna take the oil pan off, the lower sub pan off. I'm gonna take the valve covers off. This side cam towers is good, but the other side has a little leak. So we're gonna disassemble this whole engine for him. It's barely anything there, but if I'm this far, why not do it, correct? All right, my friends, I'm gonna get to work. I'm gonna start taking this engine apart.